When you walk down the street and you see that person who's obviously struggling, you can tell they're under the influence. They are our neighbors, they are our sisters, our brothers, our children. They are not bad people. They just have a bad disease.
My mom's dealt with some conflicts in her life, divorces and trouble keeping a job.
My mom was kind of in like a burrow or like in a hole that she couldn't really get herself out of.
I struggled with addiction and depression, and I'm just human. The biggest gift that I have been given is a chance. Just a chance to show who I am. I've been working at Sephora for under a year. I am a warehouse associate. I was enrolled in a program that helped me to find the opportunity with Sephora. When I walk in every morning, it almost brings out a side of me that I have forgotten that I had. I find myself laughing, smiling. I'm making friendships, and I've got an amazing support system. It's bridged the gap that I thought that I had with people. At Sephora, they believed in me when I didn't believe in myself. And I don't know where I'd be if I didn't encounter these people who gave me the opportunity of a lifetime. I have 5 kids. They are the ones who are with me through thick and thin, and they're my best friends.
Our holiday traditions have changed a lot, but fun is probably the #1 priority.
We have a lot of inside jokes that we like joke around with.
One year that my mom went out and bought these hideous Christmas nightgowns for everyone in the family.
What I want people to know about my mom is that she's nice and like caring and funny.
She is such a genuine and kind person, and all of that kindness has been born of the life she's lived up until now. We all love her and depend on her, and I've felt the uphill coming, and it's just a really relieving feeling for their sake and for hers.
I still have a lot of challenges ahead of me, but I do a gratitude list every day. I just want everybody to feel the way that I feel. Grateful, happy, at peace.